I did a self-care day today. And walked outside and looked at my car. And this is what I saw. Mask, my napkins. I'm excited to accessorize my car. Like, I don't think I've ever really accessorized my car before. So we're gonna take care of my car today.
I think you'll like the quality of our service here at Young Stan's Auto Detail Shop. I'll let your boy. Like, pull it up. Like, that thing is fucking vicious. Like, let me at him.
Like, no. I'm not done. We won't go. Right, so I ordered almost everything from Amazon. I'll link all this stuff down below. So like I said, nothing, there's no pink, there's no bling. Stan doesn't know it, but I order stuff through his car too. I just cleaned out my car. So this is my steering wheel cover. It's just black and purple. I don't know what side I want it on. Okay. Okay. Ouch! Ouch! My fingers. Okay. It's cute. I hate the way they packaged it. The way they packaged it made it kind of like stretchy. Excuse me. But I like it. Poster. It's so cute. I don't know. It's so cute. So these are little. Ooh, it's so pretty. Aren't they pretty? And they're hard too. So this goes in between the seats. I'm a very big person of sticking, like, oh, it's important, I'll get to it and I'll stick it between my seat. Oh, that's important, let me stick it between my seat and I'll get back to it, and I forget. But this is going to be like a little, kind of like a little cubby thing, so if anything falls there, it falls into this. It just goes right there, like so. I have a little back supporter thing. I have back issues, so this has like a little support thing in it down there. It vibrates. It also has heat. Again, I'm excited for this. I got a trash can. I know what you're thinking. It's like you could just take your trash with you inside and throw it away.
Nah, not doing that.
If there's a little trash can in the car, put your trash in the trash can. And then I just empty out the trash can.
Okay.
They have the two different ones. You can do it from the back of the seat, which I'm not going to do because we have kids in both rows, so seats going up and down and not going to be in the way, and that's just not good. That's not good. That's not what we're here for. So we are going to do this one down here, which is the center console deal. I'm so excited for that. Like, look how cute this is. That's so cute. Oh man, and just imagine, so if I'm driving and it's like, oh, I need to throw something away, just throw it away. That's super cool. All right. Ooh, bays back. So it's a car ashtray and goes in your cup holder. So it will be like that. This should open it. Okay, so that opens it. Ooh. So you gently turn it out, right? And he can light it. This piece comes out so he can dump the ashes. And then you just... Okay, we're back. I broke it like, oh shit. All right, so that's cool. Okay, so I got a new car mount. So let's see. This, oh shoot. This is for the mirror. This is like for insurance cards, registration. We're at a time in the world where anybody and everybody, we are at risk. All black, brown, kings. I feel like you just need to eliminate the extra reaching over or tumbling and going through stuff. You just need to eliminate it all. You just need to be able to open it, pow, boom, here you go. Here it is, officer. And just eliminate all the extra time, the extra digging. Oh, no, we're not doing that over here. So I ordered one for my car, and I should have ordered one for his car. And I'm definitely going to order him one tonight. I'm going to order him one so he can have one too. So now everything is in here. Boom. Nice and organized and safe in one spot. Let's just put the registration in there. Boom. All right. So now, here we are. Oh, you need a napkin? Here you go. So that's cute. It's a cute little... And this was only $1.84, I think, at Walmart. And I just cut out the little tabs, which I'm pretty sure you can keep the tabs in there. I just really didn't want to put like, oh, 3 napkins in this tab, 4 napkins in this tab, and I just thought it would just be easier. So nice and neat. Oh, it's so cute. So it's salt crystals, Himalayan salt crystals, and I can hang it from my mirror. So I hang it from my mirror, and I guess I just tie this around. Her Etsy name is Bird Nest Design Co. Her name is Shauna Burton. A little cute little thank you card. It's so cute. It's so cute. I'm so happy. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I got Babe the steering cover. Steering wheel cover. And I got him a 2-in-1 car air purifier. It's also a dual USB car charger. I got 2 license plate covers. They're super cute. They're bright, they're colorful. Super duper cute. So then I have this bag. It's just a little tie-dye little bag. Let me tell y'all what I have in here, because this stuff stays in the car. Big hair tie for myself, because my hair is just, I have a lot of hair. So these are a new addition. I am a mom of 3 girls. So definitely pads for them. I have pads for myself. I also have tampons for myself. I have a little thing of hand sanitizer that stays in the car. I have chapstick that stays in the car. I have smaller hair scrunchie in the car. I have ibuprofen, stays in the car. I have another chapstick, stays in the car. It fits perfectly. Boom. So this is my little bag. And this just goes right on in here in my glove box. There's also 2 pins and tissue. It's a little detachable.
Hopefully my goal, our goal.
This is so cute. It's so cute. Like, I don't care if it's old. I have a 2013, but just having that button, it's like, that's so cool. I love that. That's my favorite thing. So yeah, so this is my keys. So keys, and then that's it. That's everything I got. So let me show y'all the finished result. Thanks for watching. I hope you were able to clean your car as well. Bye.